We're going to show you how to customize your app with our 5-step process. So on the left-hand side, you're going to hit the My App tab, then Build, Edit. So this is the 5-step process of the customization. So you'll notice the step 1 is just adding your photo and your logo. Now when you upload your image, down below will say use photo image as app icon. You are more than welcome to use the same photo for inside your app and the actual app icon that will show up on your phone and your downloader's phone. Or if you'd like to have a different icon, app icon, you're going to hit this button right here and then you go ahead and upload a different image for that. So that's optional. Then you'll scroll down and you'll add a logo if you want. It's completely optional. Some people choose not to have one, especially if you have multiple businesses. If you scroll down, you'll have all your social media. So next to each one, it'll say show, and you'll just turn the ones on that you want. So Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, you're not required to put all of them in. And then you'll just copy and paste. So for example, Facebook, you would just go to your Facebook page, copy and paste that URL link into here, and then it will show up on your app. And then once you do all that, you're going to scroll up and hit the green save button. This can be your best friend. And then it'll automatically take you to step 2, which is personal info. So you put in your name, your number, your bio. Now there are a couple fields here, like as far as license number. Most of this probably won't be for specific industries, so you do not have to put it in. It's just whatever you feel like adding in there. It'll just stay blank, so nothing will be added to the app if you don't put anything in. If you scroll down, you can add your location, which again is optional. And then down below, you can edit your hours of service. And then down below is, I'm not going to go too much into it, but you can actually add your team. So if you have a team of people, maybe an assistant, you can go ahead and add their info as well. And then go ahead and hit the save button, which is step 3. Now this is really customizing the look and feel of your app. So we have multiple themes. So you're going to go ahead and pick the one that suits you. Now remember, you can always come back and change it 5 minutes later, so it's not like you're stuck with it. So we're going to go ahead and use this one. And then once you choose your theme, there's a blue setup button that says Setup Main Menu button. And there's another box that pops up. Now we have all of these features available to you. You're not required to use all of them. So you can pick and choose which ones you want. So you can turn them on, turn them off, and you can also edit each one. So for example, if you are a professional who works from home, let's say you're in direct sales or network marketing, and you don't want location obviously because you work from home, you can go ahead and hit the edit button. And instead of location, you can put my website. So it takes them straight to your website, and then obviously you copy and paste the link in there, and then you would hit save. And you'll notice that on the right hand side where it shows an image of your app, the button completely changed. So when someone goes in your app and they hit the My Website, it will redirect them straight to your website to purchase or to join a business. So that's super simple. And then if you scroll down, there's another setup button that says background image. So this is where you can change your background. Now we do have a couple options for you. When you click here, you're more than welcome to use these, or if you have your own image, you can obviously click the choose file up above and go ahead and upload your own image in there. And then you'll hit save, and you'll notice it automatically changes as you're creating it, so you can see it in real time. Now down below underneath the background image, it will say use your logo image. If you don't want to use a logo, you can actually turn it off. So you'll notice that it completely disappeared. And then you can also change your background color. So you can be very fun with it, really express your personality. And then once you do that, you're just going to scroll up and hit the save button again. Now step 4 is the personalize your registration message below. So this is where the people are actually going to register for your app. When you send it to them, they only register once for the lifetime of the app. And so you can put a fun description like, thanks for downloading my app, I look forward to serving you. Now down below, you as the app owner get to decide what fields are required for them to put in. Now most people just put in name, number, email, but if you feel like you just want to require their name and number, you can do that, their name, email, We also have a birthday field that I highly recommend to add in there, because when you grab that information, you can say, hey, go ahead and put in your birthday information so I can send you a gift on your birthday. So it's really adding value to your client or potential client. And then, of course, we have a couple other options down below where if you don't want to have information required at all, you can actually skip the whole registration portion, and they can register later. Down below, we also have a company privacy policy. This would be more for people in insurance or real estate. So this wouldn't be required for all industries. So it's completely optional. And then you'll go back up and you'll hit that great save button. Now the last step is entering your servicing county. So on the App Store, if someone were to put in Orange County Realtor, and if you're a realtor, you would pop up first. So you can pick all the way up to 3 counties. So let's say Orange County, San Diego County, and LA County. And then once you do that, so there's a bunch of options there. So once you do that, there's a publish your app button, the big blue button right there. Now the only time you're ever going to have to re-hit that is if you change your servicing county, your photo, or your logo. Other than that, as long as you hit that awesome green save button that I kept on having you push, everything will automatically save and automatically updates on your app and all those who have downloaded it all in real time.